Hi, you are on the Elin Trader channel. Glad to see everyone. Today I'll show you a new powerful strategy based on two indicators. It's the Stochastic Oscillator combined with CCI. We will also do technical analysis to find the best entry points. As always, all my extra materials, strategies, training, signals and access to copying my trades are available in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Join, message me and I'll give you access. Today we are working with two indicators that perfectly complement each other. So, what is the Stochastic Oscillator? Let me choose it. The Stochastic Oscillator shows how close the current price is to the high or low of a selected period. It has two lines, the main line and the signal line. Readings above 80 mean overbought conditions, the market is overheated and the reversal down is possible. Below 20 means oversold conditions and a possible reversal up. The key point is that Stochastic often shows a reversal earlier than price. It's one of the fastest indicators and reacts almost instantly. When one line crosses the other, that's a sign of a reversal, like here. You can see a drop that followed. That's why it's a very accurate and sensitive. Now the second indicator, CCI, measures how far price deviates from its average value. It shows abnormal moves when the market goes too far. I'll add it now. Here it is. You can see the levels here. If it's plus 100 or higher, the market is overheated and sellers are ready to enter. If it's minus 100 or lower, the market is oversold and buyers enter aggressively. As you can see here, there are signs of buying pressure. But there is a downtrend, so we always look at the chart as well. What does this indicator show? It shows the moment CCI exists extreme zone, when it moves up from below minus 100 an upward impulse starts. When it moves down from above plus 100, a downward impulse starts. CSI shows the strength of the new move, while Stochastic only shows the reversal moment. That's why they work very well together. Stochastic tells us when to enter and CSI tells us how strong the move may be. Now let's choose a currency pair to work with. I'll mark the levels right away on the 1 minute time frame. We always mark levels. This is important. When you return to this pair later, you can see how the situation has changed and understand its behavior better over time. It is approaching the plus 100 level and overall trend is upward. Let's check the hourly time frame. On the hourly chart we see stabilization. There will still be pulses in this direction. The important part is when to open a buy. On the hourly view, it hasn't reached minus 100 yet. When it moves lower, that's when we can look for a reversal and a buy. For now we wait. There is no clear line crossover yet. We always check the hourly time frame. The marked levels are here. Price may pulse down a bit, but the overall movement is leveling out. One candle up, one candle down, it's stabilizing and will likely move on towards these levels. It probably won't break lower. This is also confirmed by candle behavior. We'll look at wicks and long shadows. All this shows stabilizations. Now we need to decide the direction. The indicator will tell us. It's approaching plus 100. So I think we can open a buy soon. I'll wait a bit for more downward movement and for the lines to get closer to crossing. Now it's starting to reverse, but we wait. The upward pulse is strong. We can open. You see how it started moving well. It will likely move towards these levels. The crossover is almost here, and we entered right when the chart turned, which shows the right entry point. This is important. It's not enough to know the trend direction. Timing matters. There's a small breakdown now, but it's stabilizing. You can see the cycle. One candle up, one candle down. It goes in cycles. Yes, it slightly broke our level, but it's stabilizing. The upward pulse is strong. I think we will close in profit. I expect consecutive bullish candles. And you can see it happening live. Candle behavior confirms it, and we close in a strong profit. Congratulations, friends! Excellent. The indicators showed us the entry moment, the chart showed the overall trend, and we made the right decision. Now let's move to another currency pair and open another trade. Remember, we choose pairs based on these parameters. We don't trade pairs with payout below 80%. We work only with reliable pairs. What do we see here? At one point it crossed plus 100, which tells us the market was overheated. Sellers were ready to enter, but the trend is still upward. Now price is pulling back slightly. The line is moving along the edge. We see a clear upward pulse and a line crossover. When they cross, I can open a buy. I wait for the moment. Now there's a crossover a bit lower, so I open a buy. Done. Here we traded strictly with the trend. You can see the upward line clearly. It's easy to read these charts. The trend is clearly bullish. There are small pullbacks, but overall the move is up. You see several bullish candles in a row. Small downward moves are insignificant, and this helps us stay with the trend. The chart showed us the crossover, and we entered exactly there. Two indicators gave the entry signal, and the chart showed a clear trend. The pair is clear, the chart is clean, several bullish candles in a row, small pullbacks, but the trend continues. We traded with the trend and made profit. You see how simple this strategy is. I think I'll open one more trade. Price moved slightly down. I'll wait for it to drop a bit more and then continue trading with the trend. We see a move toward plus 100, which again shows overheated, but we also see line crossovers. This means we can still look for buys, but we wait for the right entry. We enter here. Price pulses slightly down, but it will form small candles and continue upward. Let's check the hourly time frame. You can see there was a strong drop earlier. In the long run, price will aim towards this level. This is important. Always mark levels on the hourly time frame. We entered with the trend and chose the right moment. The indicators clearly show when to enter. We track +100, -100 and the line crossovers. They cross often, but everything points to a purchase, and the line is wavy. The decision to buy is correct. Price holds well and the chart confirms it. You can see we closed in profit. 3 successful trades in a row. A clear chart and clear indicator signals give us confident trading. In conclusion, and now I will withdraw my profit, indicators show us traces of how the market behaved. Based on them, we understand when to enter. Chart analysis gives us clarity on trend direction and candle behavior. Putting all these pieces together allows us to enter trades consciously and make money. For withdrawal, I enter my wallet here and withdraw $1,030. I'm waiting for you in my Telegram channel, where I share strategies, tips, how I trade, how I calculate risk. You can copy my signals there. I'm always happy to answer questions about trading. I want you to earn consistently and I'm ready to help. I'm glad you watched this video. I hope it was useful. As you can see, the money has been sent. Have a great evening and successful trading. Bye!